Welcome to our farm. Meet our happy farm animals. Let's learn and have fun with them. This is a pig. Say pig. Cow. This is a cow. Look, an ox. Oxen love to eat grass and help farmers. Strong and kind ox. Look, a buffalo. Buffaloes love to eat grass. Can you say buffalo? Look, a bull. Bulls are strong and help farmers too. Strong and brave bull. This is a camel. Camels live in deserts and love drinking water. Can you say camel? Look, a sheep. Sheep love to eat grass. Can you say sheep? Look, a goat. Goats love to eat grass. Can you say goat? Look, a horse. Horses love hay. Can you say horse? Horse! Wow, what a big horse! Donkey. This is a donkey.